So now let's proceed to the lesson 21. So here in this lesson, we've learned some of the useful expressions in describing object through Cebuano dialect. So here are some of the useful expressions in describing objects. So in Cebuano, if we see habol, in English that is blunt. So habol, blunt. Barato. So barato in English that is cheap. Barato, cheap. Lalom. So lalom in English that is deep. Lalom or deep. Guba or buak, that is broken. Guba or buak, that is broken. Limpyo. So limpyo is clean. So the word limpyo here in Cebuano, that is clean in English. Uga is dry. So uga, dry. Ligon. So the word ligon here in Cebuano, in English, that is durable. So ligon, durable. Mahal. So in English, in Cebuano, if you say mahal, in English, that is expensive. So expensive. Next, baho. If we say baho, in English, that is false smelling. Next, puno. So if we say puno, in English, that is full. Puno. Gahi. So gahi, in English, that is hard. So gahi, hard. Bugat. So bugat, in English, that is heavy. Taas or habog, that is high. Taas or habog, that is high. Gaan or light. So gaan in Cebuano, in English, that is light. Taas is long. So taas here is long. And luag is loss. So the word luag here in English, that is loss. Karaan. So the word karaan in Cebuano is law in English. And mabaw is shallow. So the word mabaw here in English, that is shallow. Hait. So hait is sharp. So the word hait here in English, that is sharp. Mubo, that is short. So if we say mubo in English, that is short. Gamay. So gamay, that is small. Hamis or sinaw. If we say hamis or sinaw, that is smooth. Humok, tender. So the word humok here in Cebuano, in English, that is tender. Tulid. So tulid is straight. So the word tulid here is straight in English. Baga is thick. So the word baga is thick. Nipis is thin. So the word nipis here in English, that is thin. And lapad is wide. So in Cebuano, if we say lapad in English, that is wide.